Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today I'd like to show you the local elderflower growing here in one of the local forests in Finland. As you can see, beautiful. It was just raining just a while ago, and we're going to talk about the benefits, the uses and the side effects of elderflower. So elderflower is derived from the elder tree, and it is a flowering plant known for its fragrant blossoms. And I'm very sure you know the elderflower or the elder tree from the elderberries, which are an amazing anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antifungal berries that are used to make elderberry syrup. Today we are going to cover everything you need to know to get started using elderflower for healing purposes. So let's start off with the benefits. I've got the top 4 benefits of elderflower that I'd like to discuss with you today. First of all, for immune support. Elderflower is traditionally used to support the immune system, particularly when it comes to colds and flu seasons, and it's believed to have antiviral and immune stimulating properties. The second benefit is for respiratory health. Elderflower has been used to alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions, including coughs, colds, and sinus as well, or sinus problems. It actually helps to reduce congestion and soothe irritated airways. The third benefit is for its anti-inflammatory effects. Elderflower does contain compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, which actually help to reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. The fourth use is for its antioxidant activity. Now, it's rich in antioxidants, which really help to combat free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress. So what are the uses of the elderflower? First of all, as a herbal tea, tastes delicious, smells amazing. Elderflower can be prepared as a herbal tea by steeping the dried or the fresh blossoms in hot water. Now, it's often consumed to help support the immune system and for also to reap the rewards for the respiratory system as well. The second use is culinary applications. So you could use elderflower to flavor various foods, beverages, including syrups, jams, desserts, and cocktails. And thirdly, and surprisingly, it is used in skincare. Elderflower is sometimes used in skincare products because it is known to soothe the skin and provide antioxidant properties as well. And you can find it in creams, in lotions, in facial cleansers as well. And you could also combine it with rose. It would be amazing for the skin that way. So what are some side effects of elderflower that I'd like you to know about? And there are 3 main side effects. First of all is allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to elderflower. So if you do experience symptoms such as skin rash, itching, swelling, difficulty breathing after using or consuming elderflower, just simply discontinue use and seek medical attention. The second side effect is digestive discomfort, and in rare cases, elderflower does cause digestive upset in some people with a sensitive digestive system, and it can also cause mild diarrhea as well. The third side effect is interaction with medication. So it can interact with certain medications such as diuretics or immunosuppressants as well. So if this happens, if you are taking regular medication, just consult your healthcare professional before trying elderflower. We've reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.